So, I kind of forgot to do weekly develop.
Yo, man, let's get straight to it.
Welcome back to another weekly log. Also, thank you guys so much for 10k subs. Really appreciate it. Thanks to all those awesome people who works on the game. And also, without all you guys, I won't be here today. So, thanks a bunch. So, with that being said, enough yapping. Let's get back to the video, shall we? Alright, so today I made a dialogue system. You can talk to Bob over here, and he gives, you can choose like questions to ask him, you know what I mean? Yeah, it's like very basic and also inspired by fish. Take a look. Yeah. Can ask like 4 different questions and stuff like that. And also I added that to the hamburger we made on the live stream as well. It's kind of hard to see. You can see there, right? Hello human, you know what I mean? Holy burger. You can also worship it for 5. It will take 5 kills from your kills and fill up your alt bar. It's very basic. You can improve this later on, you know what I mean? So yeah, that's kind of it for the day. And also fix some major bugs, and as you can see the GUI is more fluid now. Slick. Okay, that's it for the day. See you tomorrow. So today nothing much happened, but we reworked the third move. It was kinda buggy, so we reworked it. Miss made this animation, by the way. Also, let me get to that dummy. Okay, right, here we go. Hello, it's not a black flash. If you're wondering, Miss did a really great job with the animation, and Dodge made the VFX and also sign colored that in. Yeah, really sick. Like the move. And yeah, and also I tweaked it a little bit so it's perfect, you know what I mean? Yeah, and we renamed the Turbo Fists, I think, to Turbo Drive. Don't ask me why all of the names have turbo in the beginning. We don't really talk about that in this. Okay, it's really cool. Yeah, I think you can combo extend with that too as well. Yeah, you can dash, you know what I mean? So that's kind of it we did today. So see you in the next.
Hello guys, it's Jovan, and you know what time it is? Discord time. Hang on.
So today we record a lot, right? So first of all, we finalized the move, and also there's a rain in the weather system like sick, and also there's an inventory system made. Yeah, really cool. Okay, we see that now it's raining. The particles aren't done yet, but yeah, the system is there. See, there's a day night cycle. Really cool. Yeah. In the night, the city looks sick. Yeah, for real. You can look around, you know what I mean? Phobix did a great job with the map, and Drake, the Draken. Tweaked some stuff with this move also. Yeah. Oh, it looks perfect, I think. It's more optimized. It's already good, you know what I mean? Bugless. So there's 3 cycles, like day, night, and of course evening, noon, whatever you want to call it. Second is snowing and raining. That's it for today. So see you again tomorrow. So today nothing much happened because I have to go on trip tomorrow. So I did this title system, pretty cool, right? Also I finally decided to buy a mic. Yeah, that's about it. You can see the different titles, you know what I mean? Yeah, that's sick. So that's kind of it for today. See you tomorrow. Yo, it's me, Editor Voiceless, and I'm out on a trip today, but these people are still going. Thank you so much for these people. I mean, contributors and the dev team, pretty cool people. And as you can see, Miss made this really cool kill emote animation, and yeah, it's really funny, you know what I mean? And this wall combo made by Cheese, really cool. Don't ask me the sound design, it's perfect, you know what I mean? Yeah, it's pretty funny, you know what I mean? And he's made this basic alt move animations like counter, you know what I mean? Still in the works, but yeah, I can see the vision. You get hit and do that. It's like it's very inspired from fiction. Yeah, that's fiction battlegrounds, you know what I mean? Yeah, really cool. It's in the manga too, you know. It's kind of it really today. Yeah, so guess you can guess see you tomorrow then. right? Yeah, yes, yeah. So it's me, editor Voiceless again. I was still out on an vacation, but I was on my phone, checking out this as progress. And bro, Excel cooked. Look at this awakening animation. You know what I mean? Yeah, it looks sick. You know what I mean? He totally cooked it, that one. I have more footage. Let me show you. Here, it's even better. It's a better angle. You know what I mean? Yeah, it's pretty sick. You know what I mean? Yeah, thanks a lot. Excel really cool. Really cool. Really appreciate it. Dang. That's pretty cool. Okay, there is some more. Let me go there. Miss also finished his alt animation. It's pretty sick, man. Like it. Pretty good, you know what I mean? Yeah. Yeah. Look like it's look like in the manga, you know what I mean? Needed like 20 blows. I don't think that is 20 blows, but still pretty sick, pretty sick. It's in full screen, you know. Really cool work, Miss. Thank you so much. Yeah. This I will add this to the game after this developed, you know what I mean? And yeah, Excel made another move. It's sick. It's sick as well, you know what I mean? Yeah. Look at that. Look at that menacing walk. Yeah. Okay. On the startup. Yeah. Pretty sick, ain't it? Yeah. Slick. Yeah. Yes, that's it for today. So see you. That's it for the video. Also, one more thing. Before you leave, if you want to win 1k Robux, there is a code hidden in the video. I mean, there's a secret word. It's not a code, but you get the point. You can find it. And first to DM me, I will give you guys. So, you know what I mean? It's for appreciation for hitting 10k subs. That was really cool. That's kind of it. Yeah. So better luck finding it.
Words like tidal waves will sweep me off my quiet cage and count my fireplace and tell me while I lie awake.